Emily, you're the best sunset and moonrise that I've ever seen. I vow to always admire you. You're my skiing buddy that I never lose on a POW day. I vow to always have fun with you. You're the best air drummer I know. I vow to always laugh with you. You're my missing puzzle piece that completes me. I vow to never lose you. When life is like a raging river coming towards us, I vow to be your rock to keep us steady, because there's nothing we can't handle if we stand together. You're all I need, and I vow to be everything you need.
Emily, the day is finally here. We've waited so long, planned so much, and anticipated today in many fashions. It has finally arrived. We are ready, so let's sit back and enjoy the day. Enjoy our family, our friends, some new acquaintances, but most importantly, let's enjoy each other. I cannot wait to see you at the end of the aisle. Until then, stay strong, my love.
I would like to welcome you all and thank you all for making the effort to come here and be with Emily and Miles on their special day. We have a whole team from the UK, the US, and probably most difficult place to get from, British Columbia. So I want us to toast each other for coming here and celebrating this occasion with Emily and Miles. To all of us.
Miles, you are the reason that I believe in soulmates, in true love, and in finding the one to spend the rest of my life with. You are the reason that I have no doubt standing up here today, vowing to be yours forever. You are the reason my life is so full of excitement. From mountain biking to ski trips, to camping and continuously exploring with Mac, to making the most of our days together. So today, on our wedding day, I vow to remind you how much I love you always. I vow to be up for any and every adventure that might come our way. I vow to look after you, to support you, to respect you, to be your biggest fan, and to always tell you how damn good you look doing everything you do. So I confidently put my trust in us, and I'm gonna take huge pride in being your wife. I love you.
Adorned in white satin, before him she stands. Now they have exchanged their wedding bands. To have and to hold, now and forever, they begin their journey through life together. Wherever it takes them, they do not know, but today they have promised to always go hand in hand and side by side. It's going to be one hell of a ride. Try to remember to live your lives in harmony, and through each other's eyes you'll see a future waiting patiently for Miles and my little Emily.